Dear students, this is Afsana Awal. Today I will take your English class and our today's topic is small letter A to H. So let's start our class. Students, look at the board. Our today's topic is small letters A to H. Students, in the previous classes we learned the capital letters. And you have to know that we have to use 3 lines for writing the capital letters and small letters. So for the capital letters we have to use the first 2 lines, only to first 2 lines. But for writing small letters, sometimes we have to use the only the middle line, sometimes only the first 2 lines, sometimes the last 2 lines. I'm repeating, students, when we learned the capital letters, we used only the first 2 lines for writing the capital letters. But when we will write the small letters, for some letters we have to use only the middle line, and for some letters we have to use the first 2 lines, and for some letters we have to use the last 2 lines, and you have to use these lines properly. Now this is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Students, look here. Here A, C and E. We have written these 3 letters in the middle line. From A to H, we have written A, C and E in the middle line. That means for these 3 letters we have to use only the middle line. And B, D, F, 3 letters, they use the first 2 lines. B, D and F, they use and H. B, D, F and H, they use the first 2 lines. B, D, F, H, use the first 2 lines. And G, just look at G. G uses the last 2 lines. We have to use last 2 lines for writing small letter G. Okay, students, so you have to be careful that for writing some letters you have to use the middle line. For writing some letters you have to use the first 2 lines, and for writing some letters you have to use the last 2 lines. And here A, C and E, for writing these letters we have to use the middle line. B, D, F and H, for writing these 4 letters we have to use the first 2 lines. And for writing G, we have to use the last 2 lines. Okay, students, that's all for today. See you in the next class, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.